Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is I'm going to give you the 3-step blueprint to success with affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new here, this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell because that will notify you every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's dive right into it. So the very first thing is you want to focus on a highly targeted traffic. If you don't do this, it's going to be very hard. So how do you do this? Because there are two ways to do this. One of them is paid traffic, which we're not going to get into. That involves ads. That involves having a big ad budget. So if you're just starting out, this is not how you're going to do this. So you want to focus on free traffic. Free traffic is what we're looking for. Because if you're starting out with no money, you will not have an ad budget. So with free traffic, how you're going to do this is you're going to have to work hard. I know it doesn't sound very good and a lot of you are going to shut this video down just because you heard that, but for those of you that didn't, this is how you're going to actually start to make some money, because there are a ton of people out there trying to sell scams out there, like get money instantly, get money before this date or something like that. This doesn't happen. Business is going to take you some time. So how do you focus on that? You're going to have to pick a niche that you really like. So it doesn't matter what you like. Maybe you like cooking. I always take the same examples, but it can be anything. Maybe you like riding your motorbike, maybe you like cycling. It doesn't matter. Maybe you like running. I know of a YouTube channel where this guy has made a ton of money because he enjoyed like running. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to have to find something that you can really relate to, that you like, that you enjoy doing, and that way you are going to be able to create some content around it for a long time, because that is how you're going to get that targeted traffic. You're going to make YouTube videos or blog posts. Now, if you don't want to put yourself in front of the camera and still make YouTube videos, you can make animated videos. But if you do put yourself in front of the camera, it's going to be a lot better. So what you're going to do on your blog post or on your YouTube channel is you're going to teach people how to do whatever you're trying to do. Like if you enjoy running, teach people how to run, how to get a proper diet, because people want to know that, how to get the best running shoes. And I'm not even in that niche, and I just found like 3 examples of videos that you can do. So in any niche you can do that, and you just have to watch the other videos, because if you enjoy this, chances are you are going to enjoy watching YouTube videos about this, and you just have to recreate them. Maybe you want to lose weight. Here's the thing. If you're overweight right now and you want to lose weight, what you can do is you can create a YouTube channel about how to lose weight. There's 2 benefits to that. One, you're going to be very accountable on that, and 2, you're going to actually be able to make some money while losing weight, which is your goal. So there's tons of different things that you can do, but you really have to focus on something that you really want to do, because otherwise you're going to give up. So if you really want to lose weight, make a YouTube channel about how to lose weight and your progress to lose weight. Don't lie about it. Tell people, I'm going to lose weight and this is how I'm doing it. This was fun, this wasn't fun, this was hard. It doesn't matter. So there you go, one of the things. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to create a ton of content, and at first it's going to suck because you're not going to get very much traction at all. It's going to be very hard to do. But after a while you will start to gain some traction. You will gain some subscribers on YouTube, you will gain viewers on your website, or on your blog I should say, and this is where you're going to have a sales funnel, and you're going to have to get subscribe to the people that are in your niche, to their email list, to everything, and find out how they're doing it, how to have a high converting sales funnel, because this is how you're going to do it. You're going to have a sales funnel. So you are going to have to pay for that sales funnel, but it's going to be making you a ton of money in the back end. So focus on that. There's not too much to say. What you're going to do is you're going to get their email list by providing them something for free. Whether it's an ebook, maybe it's something that you recommend, it doesn't matter, but you have to get them to enter the email. And then they're going to go through that process of the sales funnel. So you're going to tell them what they need and give them an affiliate program to actually get further on and deeper with you, because that's what you're going to do. People want to go deeper with you because they know you, they want to progress in whatever you're teaching, and you want to make some money. So you're going to teach them and give them a product that they can buy that's going to help them, and you make money on the back end because that was an affiliate program. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is when you refer a product and you get a commission from it. So again, I'm not going to go too much into detail about this because that's not the point of this video. But if you watch my videos of how to make money as a beginner or something like that, I will probably teach it. I've got a ton of videos where I explain what affiliate marketing is. So if you don't know that, make sure that you just check out these other videos, and there's some videos that will teach you that. So the next thing is you need a good value ladder. So if you're unaware what a value ladder is, it's when you sell a product that is cheap on the front end, because that's what you're going to do, and I'm just going to explain what you want to do because that is the point. So the very first thing is you want to sell something that's quite cheap, that's affordable in your niche. It doesn't matter what it is, but it has to be affordable and give them a ton of value, okay? So they're going to buy that and they're going to be very happy with that product because it helped them, it gave them a ton of value no matter what. Maybe it helped them lose weight if we're talking about that niche. And you want to tell them, okay, this was great. If you want to take it to the next step, I've got this product that can help you doing this, and another way it's going to help you lose even more weight, or maybe it's going to help you keep your weight down for a long period of time. It doesn't really matter. So you do that, and that's going to be something that's a bit more expensive than the first product, but that's going to give them even more value, so even more help, whatever it is. And then you're going to give them something even more expensive that's going to get them to get even further on. And that's the thing. You have to really focus on that and give them products that are more expensive than the previous one, but that helps them out way more than the previous one as well, because you don't want to have people feeling like they got scammed. You want people to be happy, because a happy customer is a customer that comes back. So that is the 3-step blueprint to success with affiliate marketing. So if you got any value from this video, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, because I always enjoy these and I always respond to you guys. So make sure that you do that, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.